We'll guide you through how to install Ngrok in Docker. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open your preferred web browser and navigate directly to dashboard.ngrok.com. Once the page loads, sign in to your Ngrok account with your established login credentials. After you have successfully signed in, find and open the page labeled your auth token, and go ahead and carefully copy your unique personal token to your clipboard. Before you proceed with the actual tunnel setup, please make sure your local web application is fully up and running, for instance, on port 3000. Next, open your terminal or PowerShell application. You will be using a Docker command to launch an Ngrok tunnel, so start the command to run it in interactive mode. As you build this instruction, add a custom name for the container, such as my Ngrok tunnel. Then, include your Ngrok token using an environment variable setting for your authentication token. Specify that you are using the official Ngrok container image, followed by the command to route HTTP traffic. Finally, point the tunnel to forward all that traffic directly to your host machine's port 3000. To put it all together, the full command instructs Docker to run the Ngrok image in an interactive session, naming the container my Ngrok tunnel, injecting your authentication token, and finally establishing an HTTP tunnel that connects to the host machine address on port 3000. Make sure you replace the placeholder token in that command with the specific token you copied earlier. Once the command is ready, press the Enter key on your keyboard to start the tunnel process. After a few seconds, you will see a public web address appear in the terminal output, so copy that generated Ngrok URL. Finally, open that URL in your web browser or share it with others to allow them to access your local application from anywhere on the internet.